Hey, it's your girl Chris, and thank you so much for coming back to watch some more cooking with your girl Chris in the Secret Sauce channel. Today we are going to be making some sweets. We are going to make quesitos. Where I learned this from is from Puerto Rico. They sell this a lot over there after school. This is what I used to get, and I miss it. So today I'm gonna make it to give me a little bit of throwback of when I used to live in Puerto Rico, which was in high school. So let's just get to it. But before we get to it, you already know. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Like, comment, subscribe, share. It means a lot when you do that. So now we can get to it for real. Alright, let's go. So that was just a little snip of what you're going to be making in your kitchen once you're done watching this video. I promise it's very easy to make, and the puff pastry dough, we're not going to be making that. You're just going to buy that. I know how to make it, but it's time consuming and I really don't want to be doing that right now. So I just want to get to it, and I'm just going to show you what the ingredient list is going to look like. Alright, so right now we have our puff pastry, and you're able to buy this in the grocery store at your local supermarkets. Puff pastry has many layers of dough, so what it is just dough and butter that's folded onto each other. For this recipe, we're only just going to use one sheet of puff pastry. So you just want to fold it out, have it nice and flat. Very nice and even. A nice square is what you want here. We're gonna now want to cut right at the seams. We're gonna try to make at least 9 perfect squares so we can get 9 quesitos out of this. Now to get started with our filling, you're gonna wanna just start mixing everything up. So just a key to this filling, it would be a lot better if you had softened cream cheese. Mine stood out the refrigerator for a very long time, but it still didn't work. Now I've also added some vanilla, and this would be powdered sugar. Now I just added a little to see how it tastes, because you don't want this to be very sugary. So just add a little, and then if you want a little more, then you add the rest. Then you're just going to want to mix everything up. And again, it would be just a lot better if you had softened cream cheese. So I'm struggling here, but don't worry. This is exactly how you want it to be, nice and smooth. Now, if you have a piping bag, that works. If you don't, that's fine. Just put it in a Ziploc bag, or you can use a spoon. Now, depending on how you want to make your quesitos, everyone does it different. I just like to make a line going right across. If you just want to put it right in the middle and just fold it up, that works too. It's all how you want it to come out. So that's all that I do. I just put a line going right across. Now to fold our quesitos, I don't put any water or anything of that sort. I just kind of fold it onto each other. I press in and just like so. I'll just fold it up like as if it was a taco or something of that sort. You're just gonna want to continue and do these to the rest. And right after it bakes, it took me a good 15 minutes or so at 350. You're now gonna want to brush it with some syrup. This is gonna give it its nice glossy look. Perfect. So now they're all brushed with the syrup, and we're just gonna want to put a little bit of powdered sugar just for it to look nice. Doesn't have anything to do with the flavor, it's just for the look of it. And they're done. Now you can just sit down, eat them, and enjoy them. Alright, so you saw how easy those look, right? Come on. I want you to try them. I want you to tag me. My Instagram is Secret Sauce Cooking, and take a picture so I can see. It makes me really happy when I start to receive these pictures from other people that have recreated what I've done. I actually enjoy watching them. I do. So send those over to me. Even if it doesn't look nothing like the way I did it, I still like watching them. Please, as I stated, like, comment, and subscribe, and share so others can view this as well. See ya.